Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about MQ-9B Predator drone and why India needs it badly and what is the process going on to procure this from US. Let's start. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, sometimes called Predator B, is an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, that is GAASI, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 other UAVs are referred to as remotely piloted vehicles aircraft, that is RPV or RPA, by the US Air Force to indicate the human ground controllers. The MQ-9 is the first hunter-killer UAV designed for long endurance, high-altitude surveillance in 2006, and then Chief of Staff of the United States Air Force General Michael Mosley said, "We have moved from using UAVs primarily in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance role before Operation Iraqi Freedom to a true hunter-killer role with the Reaper." But the question arises that why India needs MQ-9B Predator drone? Well, to scale up its surveillance capabilities along the border with China in the Himalayan heights, India is looking to acquire from the US a fleet of Predators armed drones. The proposed deal is for 30 MQ-9 Reaper drones worth $3 billion. That is around rupees 24,500 crore, and 10 each for the Army, Navy, and Air Force. This will be the first tri-service purchase to synergize the operational and procurement requirements of the Indian armed forces. Military planners believe the Predator armed drones will strengthen India's offensive capabilities. While the deal is under process, General Atomics Aeronautical System, which manufactures these drones, has tied up with Bharat Forge to produce landing gear or components, sub-assemblies, and assemblies for remotely piloted aircraft. The US firm is confident that the collaboration will result in significant capability building for both sides and provide an impetus to the unmanned aircraft industry in India. That's why India needs it. The case for the proposed procurement of a fleet of Predator drone from the US is under process, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar said today. The original proposal was to procure 30 MQ-9B Predator armed drones at a cost of rupees, as I told you, $3 billion to crank up India's surveillance apparatus along the frontier with China as well as in the Indian Ocean region. The case for the procurement is under process. We are discussing whether the number have to be rationalized, the Navy chief said while replying to a question at his annual press conference. The MQ-9B drone is a variant of the MQ-9 Reaper, which was used to launch a modified version of the Hellfire missile that eliminated Al-Qaeda leader Ayman al-Zawahiri in the heart of Kabul last month. In 2020, the Indian Navy had taken on lease 2 MQ-9B Sea Guardian drones from General Atomics for a period of 1 year for surveillance in the Indian Ocean. The lease period has been extended subsequently. The case for this is still going on, and according to the information, progress has been done in this case. We'll let you know as soon as we get the latest information about it. Till then, bye.